Hello, everyone, and welcome to our presentation for the TEEM Conference Track 11 on Personal Learning Environments. Our presentation is titled Personal Learning Environments as Digital Spaces that are Collaborative, Adaptive, and Autonomous. My name is Nara Dabar, and I am a professor at George Mason University. And joining me today is Maureen Kuwende, doctoral student in the Learning Technologies Design Research Program at George Mason University. So why this study? Well, we don't have enough data about college students' perceptions of personal learning environments and what digital tools they are using to support their learning. We conducted a study about 4 years ago in 2017 that was similar to the study that we're going to talk about today. And the previous study revealed that college students characterized personal learning environments, or PLEs, as digital learning spaces that enabled the following: collaboration with other students and instructors, the use of technology for discovery learning and experimentation, that they were able to curate and manage educational resources and learning assets. And they also characterized PLEs as the integration of physical and digital learning spaces and as spaces that had effective technology. So building on this previous study and the findings, the current study sought to further validate these findings and also to examine what digital tools students use to create personal learning environments and how do they use these tools to facilitate personal growth and development and lifelong learning. So I'm going to turn it over to Maureen right now so she can describe the method of our study.
Thank you, Dr. Dabar. The research was conducted at a Mid-Atlantic University, and the participants were asked to log in on a WordPress.org site titled Project PLE, as you can see on the slide. So WordPress.org was preferred over any other blogging platforms because of its user-friendly interface and the ability to publish their blog posts immediately after a quick approval process by the site administrator. So on the next slide. So we had the participants to enter their name. It could be a nickname. We asked them to upload a picture, which was optional. And then we had 5 questions for them to provide information. Who are you? What do you like to learn about? What your hardware preferences when it comes to learning software, and what digital tools do you prefer to have access to for learning and why? And then what might be your ideal learning PLE, learning environment. So we had a total of 22 participants. Out of the 22 participants, 19 of them came out of the Master's Instructional Design program, while 4 of them were students from the doctoral program. In response to the first questions, who are you? The majority of the participants identified as instructional designers, followed by senior instructional designers, consultants, teachers, auditors, and students. And in response to what they like to learn about, the majority of the participants indicated they love to learn about educational technologies, trends in education, digital technologies, and authoring tools. Now, when we asked them what hardware they would use to learn, the majority indicated a preference or the usage of laptops, followed by smartphones. What software they would use to learn? Their preferred software that they used to learn was search engines, followed by podcasts, videos on YouTube, as well as social media. The 4th question, where they had to indicate their preferred digital tools to have access for learning, the majority indicated authoring tools as well as design tools. And then the next popular category was that of graphic and digital organizers.
So in conclusion, when we analyzed their responses, we came up with 4 emergent themes. And as you could see here, we're comparing these 4 emergent themes in study 2, the current study, to the previous study. And we did find alignment across 4 of the themes. So as you can see, effective technology was, again, an important characterization of personal learning environments. the idea that personal learning environments are not limited to digital spaces, but they also integrate physical spaces for them to learn, and the points about needing the technologies to be easy to use and very well organized, and enabling discussion, collaboration, and personalization. The only theme that we could not validate in the study was the use of tools to for experiential learning and discovery learning. So in the end, what we think is that in both studies, but mostly in study 2, the students perceived personal learning environments as making their learning experience more personal, connected, social, and open. And we think that future research should focus on examining the role of AI and XAPI in facilitating the design of a personal learning environment that is collaborative, flexible, personalized, adaptive, and autonomous. Thank you.